Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to permanently disable or enable the Wi-Fi setting option. So by default you will get the Wi-Fi option. So in the taskbar in the connection manager, so here is the Wi-Fi option. You can enable or you can turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi here. Also in the setting option under network and internet, so here is the option Wi-Fi. Here also you can turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi. So this is the default setting in Windows 10 laptops, but I am now going to show you how to remove this option. So by using the setting option, you can prevent the accessing of internet in your house. Like in case if you're having childs or if you're having some of the children's like that means, so you can protect them to not use the you can protect them from not use the internet in your laptop. So might be in case in your home you having a broadband connection like that means, so once they easily turn on the Wi-Fi means they can easily access the internet. So to protect them from the internet, or in case if you want means nobody want to use the internet like that means, you can use this setting option. Similarly, sometimes in the Windows 10 operating system also, so there is a bug like that, so you can not able to access the Wi-Fi setting option. So in that case you will actually restart this laptop or computer, but now I am going to show you how to do that without restarting the laptop. Using this option, you can manage at your own preference when your Wi-Fi need to be turned on or when your Wi-Fi need not to be turned on like that. Well, now to begin the process, just go to the start menu and right click the start menu, or just press Windows plus X button. Now you will get the second start menu. In there, just tap on the device manager. So just go to the device manager, and this is the option, and here is the device manager option, and here under the network adapter settings, so this is the option, and here you will get the option Realtek wireless LAN 8 now. So this is your wireless LAN adapter. So this is the Wi-Fi adapter actually. So by disabling this, you can't able to manage the Wi-Fi settings here. Just click on this and right click and click on the uninstall device, and never tick mark this option. So delete the driver from this device. Never tick mark this option, because once you tick mark this option means to again reinstall the Wi-Fi adapter, you need to restart the system. Well, whenever you are restarting your system, you will get a new drivers will be updated automatically. So don't tick mark this, just tap on uninstall. Now in the taskbar connection settings, so there is no Wi-Fi setting option, and in the setting option under network and internet, so here also no Wi-Fi setting option. So by this case, no one can't able to use the internet, right? So I'm just going to the Chrome, so there is no internet. In case if you are having Ethernet cable only, you can able to access the internet. Apart from that, you can't able to access the internet, because there is no Wi-Fi setting option. Now to re-enable the Wi-Fi setting option, in case if you want to enable, in case if you want to access the internet like that means, now you can do that. Like just go to the same device manager setting, and here look for the option scan for hardware changes. Just tap on this and wait for a few seconds, and that's it. And the wireless LAN 802.11 adapter is again reinstalled. Now here is the connections in the taskbar, and now here is the setting option of Wi-Fi. Now you can turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi as per your wish. And similarly here also in the setting option, so here you will get again you will get a Wi-Fi setting option. So is this actually cool way to enable, to permanently disable or enable the Wi-Fi setting option. By using this setting option, now you can able to prevent your child from accessing the internet without your knowledge means. Now that's it for today video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below, and thanks for watching this video guys.